बालों का हमेशा से ही हमारी पर्सनालिटी में एक अहम रोल रहता है, तभी तो कहीं ना कहीं हेयर स्टाइल को शायद ज्यादा इम्पोर्टेंस दी जाती है। वहीं चित्रांगदा सिंह भी दिखी एक हेयर बुक लॉन्च पर, जिसकी राइटर डॉक्टर अर्पणा सनातन ने बात की अपनी बुक को लिखने के एक्सपीरियंस के बारे में।
Even from before I became a dermatologist, I've always been fascinated by hair because it's so astounding that a tissue that's completely dead can make us all long for it so much and can add so much color to our lives.
चित्रांगदा ने कहा कि बालों से रिलेटेड सब प्रॉब्लम्स का सॉल्यूशन है ये बुक।
For something which is, I think, yet another step towards hair care, made even more scientific, even more now, even more advanced, even more present day, and still very usable and still very, how do you say, valid, in the kind of problems that we face today, every day, with all kinds of trouble that we make with our hair. We want to style them, we want to burn them, we want to bleach them, and here it is, a book which is probably going to save us through all of that mess.
वहीं चित्रांगदा ने कहा कि कई बार हम कभी-कभी कुछ सिंपल चीजों से भी बेस्ट लग सकते हैं और साथ ही हम लोग काफी एक्सपेरिमेंट्स करते हैं अपने बालों के साथ।
I agree with you actually. I think a lot of times you just want to keep changing what you're doing to your hair simply because you want to try something new. But like you said, sometimes very simple, basic things work the best. Something that I've actually survived many years of, use and trial. And I make sure I come and get clipped when I'm having a good hair day. I wouldn't step out if I'm No, I think actually I would say I would probably have more bad hair days than most people otherwise, because we do so much trial and error with our hair. We are styling it, we are straightening the hair, blow drying the hair, we're trying different colors, we are bleaching, streaking, I don't know, we do so much that actually this book would be on my bedside, and if not in the bathroom, because I want to really save my hair and look after my hair even more because of the amount of like I said, trial and error that goes on the hair every single day. So I do have my bad hair days.
चित्रांगदा ने शेयर किया अपने बचपन में बालों की केयर का किस्सा।
I know it sounds cliched. I'm standing here in front of this, and if I said this, it sounds so cliche. But really, ever since I was a kid, growing up, my mother, this was a regime. I had to go through hair oil. And I did not like it in the beginning, I agree. But that was something that has actually helped my hair. And the quality of the hair is good in the sense it survives a lot of, like I said, heat treatments and things like that. So that deep conditioning that probably that happened was because of hair oil, massage and stuff like that. And my mother would make me sit down and do it. So thanks to her, and of course the hair oil. And if I may say, it used to be Parachute. It just was actually, yes. I mean, it's that's the honest truth of it. Yeah.
क्या रोल प्ले करते हैं हेयर स्टाइल्स इन द फिल्म एज अ कैरेक्टर?
I think hair styles and hair really change you as a character. It's amazing. Like I remember in my last film, Inkar, that I did, my hair went really short. I cut my hair really short to play a woman who's in power, who's in control. She's also somebody who has to be almost a man in a man's world kind of thing. So it completely changed my character from playing a very young intern that she plays in an ad agency in the beginning, where her hair is long, is a bit messy and things like that. So I think whenever you change hairstyles drastically like this, it brings a huge change in your character. So yeah, I think hair really does define you, and I think that's why there's been so much of obsession about hair recently. It definitely adds to your sex appeal and to your character.
तो कैसा डाइट रिजीम ये फॉलो करती हैं अपने बालों की केयर के लिए?
Well, like she just said, in fact, the protein is really important. So your omegas are really important, omega-6, and so I do take some supplements. But I think mostly, like she said, diet is the most important thing, right? So including fish and things like that in your, and walnuts, like she was just telling me backstage, I've quickly taken my tips. So yeah, I think walnuts and all these, dry fruits and things like, which are very rich and nutrient dense. I think things like that are very good for your hair.
इंडिया में है काफी क्रेज अपने हेयर्स को लेकर।
Traditionally, it's been so important. You know, the kesh was one of the most important things, especially in India. It's been really important, whether it is north or south. I mean, South India especially. I think that's a very important part of the Shringar as well. When if you read the mythology or anything. So yeah, and I think now there's just been a lot more awareness about beauty and the way we look. I think the way we present ourselves has become change. Exactly. That's exactly the reason why there's so much of a huff about the hair. So that's the reason why we're here. And of course, there's so much of research about it now. So everything is becoming a lot more precise to your needs.
टाइम की कमी को लेकर हम नहीं करते अपने बालों की केयर, कहना है डॉक्टर अर्पणा का।
Earlier, the lifestyle we led were very simple. People followed a regimented form of living right through, so stress was less and most people's hair served them well. Today we find that people are losing hair in their 20s. Graying of hair is premature. It's mainly because our dietary habits have changed. We've all become more international travelers. We don't always eat the kind of diet that's good for us. We don't always look after ourselves the way we should, simply because of lack of time. And like Chitrangada said, the importance of looking good is only increasing. So we are actually not doing the right things, but it's becoming even more important for us to look good, which is why we need a lot more tools to help us look good. And hair is one of the things which really defines us.
क्या करती है चित्रांगदा बैड हेयर डे पर?
Well, actually, there's been two phases. So there was a phase when I was back in school and everything, my hair was great. And the thick plaits every day, the oiling, all of that happened. And then I think in between college and a little after that, the hair became really bad. Because I tried all sorts of things, you go crazy trying different colors. But I think now I'm more careful with my hair. I go through a whole, looking after what products you're using. Also, you use things that help you save yourself from heat, for the hair. So a lot of other things, and of course gone back to the oiling and once a week for all that deep conditioning, hot towel, all of that. So hair is much better. Slowly it's improved, yeah.
तो आइए अब जरा ये जान लेते हैं कि अक्सर सेलिब्रिटीज को प्रोडक्ट्स को इंडोर्स करते देखा जाता है, तो क्या वो इन्हें रियलिटी में यूज करते हैं या नहीं?
I think it's always better to endorse things that you would use easily. And I'm standing here in front of
खबरों की दुनिया में आइए, हमारे साथ कहीं भी और कभी भी जुड़िए। हम मिलेंगे फेसबुक पर, हम दिखेंगे यूट्यूब पर, हमें फॉलो कीजिए ट्विटर पर। खबरों के साथ बने रहिए रात दिन।